Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now we are watching this hill slide in Vishakhapatnam, India. Due to heavy rains in Assam, these floods are happened on Friday in Assam. This storm is in Turkey. This one is happening in Turkey. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.